everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play My Old Man's a Fatso by the Angry Samoans off the Back from Samoa record. But before we get started, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. So this is a really fun, pretty simple punk song. I like the Angry Samoans a lot. This is one of my favorite songs by them. So it's pretty much all power chords, like most punk songs. You're going to start out in a B. Then you're going to go to a G, E, A. And so the first note, the B, you're going to be picking with alternate picking. And so, in like some of the other versions, like the early demos, it kind of sounds like they're going like this, like hitting back and forth on the notes. But on the Back from Samoa record, it's basically alternate picking. So here's how the verse and intro goes. So slowly it's... And so it's pretty straightforward. The only thing that's a little weird is when you go from the E to the A, you're going to hit those the just open strings in between the E and the A power chord. It's kind of like a letting off the chord while you switch. So once again. And that's it for the verse. Pretty simple. And then you're going to go into, I guess this would be the like pre-chorus, or it's not really a bridge. And so you're going to play a D power chord, to an A power chord, to a B, to a G. So and the rhythm's like this. And that's it for that pre-chorus. It plays it 3 times through. And then you're going to go into, I guess, the chorus here. It's going to be very similar chord progression. It's going to be D, A, B, power chords. And it's going to be played like this. And then when you get to that chord, you're going to go into the bridge part. But let's just break down the chorus real quick. So it's got like some almost like muted chords in between with the chord changes. So it's... So I kind of exaggerated that a little bit, but they're just kind of chunkas in between the chords. So, and you do that by lifting your fingers off of the frets from pushing down, so that they're just hovering over the frets. And you get that kind of chunka sound. So. And then when you get go to that B the third time, it's going to start with a lead. And it's going to be like the Chuck Berry style leads I've talked about in a lot of other videos. So you're going to bridge your first finger across the 7th fret on the B and E strings and push on the 9th fret with your ring finger on the G string. So it's going to go. So you're going to start 7th fret, 10th fret, 5th fret. And that basically just mimics the chord progression that's being played underneath, and I'll show you that in a second. That's basically it for the lead. And so the chords that are being played underneath that and the bridge part are, you're going to be a B, D, G, A. So it goes like this. And so it's going to go 2 times with the lead, 2 times without the lead, just playing the chords, and then it goes back into the verse. And then the next time it gets around to that bridge part, there's no lead, and it ends with that same part. So the last time through, when you at the end, it's pretty similar, just a little different. One more time. And that's pretty much the whole song. Like I said, it's pretty basic, but it's a really fun song. It's short. The Angry Samoans wrote some really cool songs. And it's got kind of a fun lead to play. And it's got some interesting kind of picking stuff and some other interesting things like the chunka chunkas. It's kind of got a variety of stuff you might find in other punk songs. If you like this video, remember to like it and to subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.